Welcome back, viewers. From today's video onwards, we are going to start a new series on the Fedora Labs. So Fedora Labs is the functional bundles for Fedora. So they have got specific functionality. For example, the Fedora Labs contains astronomy. So this astronomy ISO of Fedora Labs has got all the astronomy related application packages. So everything is pre-configured. You have to just install and start using those application packages. Then there is computational neuro packages. So here there is a plethora of free and open source computational modeling tools for neuroscience. So you can do your neuroscience modeling using this ISO. Then there is Fedora Design Suite. So it is for the creators. So you can do visual design, multimedia production and publishing suite for free and open source creative tools. So this is very fine suite of applications, and it is bundled in a ISO. So we get all those bundled application packages with a Fedora base. Then the Fedora Games is there. So you can use this ISO to create your own PlayStation. You can play games, Linux as well as the Windows game. So you can use bottles, you can use wine to install the Windows game, and you can play on your Fedora Games ISO that is set up on your desktop. Then there is Fedora Jam. So it is for the audio enthusiasts and musicians who want to create, edit and produce music and video. Sorry, not video, for music and audio in Linux. Of course, you can also do video also, videography. You can edit the videos, you can create videos, everything you can do from this also. That is the Fedora Jam. So it is also suitable for video, but specifically it is meant for audio and music. And the Fedora Python classroom is there. So it is a classroom laboratory for teaching the Python programming language to the students. So this is also great. Then Fedora Security Lab is there. So it is a safe test environment to work on with the security auditing, Fortunet, system rescue and teaching security testing methodologies. So we will try to cover all those these different ISO or application package groups which are available in the Fedora Labs. And the robotics suites is there. So it contains a wide variety of free and open robotics software packages for the beginners and experts in robotics. And finally, we have got the Fedora Scientific. So it bundles open source scientific and numerical tools used in the research work. So this is for the researchers, scientists and people who are working in the research and development field. So that's it. So this is all that is there in the Fedora Labs, and we will try to cover everything, because you see my knowledge is also limited. With whatever limited knowledge I have, I will try to introduce all this Fedora ISOs to you, and at least we can introduce all this Fedora we can say alternative distributions to you, and maybe it will suit your need and purpose, and you can start using them. So I will just make an introduction to all of them, and then you can decide whether it suits your need and purpose, and you can start using that, because all the help files, manuals, everything is available in this ISOs. So you can learn by yourself, and in the meanwhile, if I also learn, I can share my learning with you. So I will stop the video here. We can start a series. So we will start the series with the Fedora Jam, and later on we will cover all other ISOs in the Fedora laboratories or Fedora Labs. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.